Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, what's up? If you're a returning subscriber, hey, you already know how I feel about you. I love you, and we're back again with another video. So today I decided to do something a little different. I'm going to do a quick install on one of my close friends, Tinashe, and lo and behold, this is Tinashe hair that I am promoting today that we are featuring. This is their Malaysian deep wave in 20 inches, 22 inches, 24 inches with the 18-inch frontal. She went ahead and created this wig by herself, and I am just going to install it on her. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not doing too much. It's very short and sweet. Just showing you guys how to, not showing you how to, but how I installed this on her. It's just like a watch me do this kind of thing. It's not a tutorial. So please do not come for me in the comments because this, again, is not a tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Turn on my bell notification so that you're notified when I post another video. And yeah, see you guys on my next one.